jump right into the tropics since there are some areas to watch. Two waves way out in the eastern Atlantic. Don't have to worry about these. The models indicate maybe they can develop. There's a medium % chance from the National Hurricane Center now, but models look to keep it out in the open Atlantic. We'll throw those on the back burner. Our attention really goes to this tropical disturbance that's set to come into the eastern Gulf later this weekend. So there's nothing to track right now. At this point, it's just a cluster of showers and storms approaching the Bahamas. So we'll have our eye closely on this in the coming days. And really, its track depends on this upper level ridge of high pressure that's coming back in full force. So it's going to heat up again. And it's also going to play a role in where this disturbance goes heading into Monday and Tuesday. So if this is the GFS model. If the ridge is a little bit stronger and farther to the south, then the disturbance should move more to the west and stay to our south. That means we'll probably trend mostly dry if this plays out. The other big model we look at, the Euro, has the ridge a little bit weaker. You can see this notch kind of showing up here, positioned a little bit more to the north as well. That would allow for the disturbance to move to the northwest. So there's still kind of a question mark as to where it's going to go and how much it can strengthen, because right now models don't indicate it's going to blow up into something major at this point, though that can change. It emerges into the very warm Gulf waters, and it's kind of like all bets are off. Though there is some dry air out there. We'll be seeing it. We'll be seeing how it plays out. But this is what it will look like with the GFS at this point. So some showers and storms will be emerging into Florida by Saturday, Sunday. Then it moves into the Gulf. This is the solution where it stays more to our south. Maybe we just see a few showers Monday into early Tuesday. Most of us don't see much rain, and we could use the rain. This might not be a bad thing. And then that will kind of just move on west towards South Texas. Now the Euro kind of keeps it closer to us, kind of same deal here where it moves into Florida later this weekend in the eastern Gulf and then keeps moving more to the northwest. This would bring us some more steady and soaking showers Monday into Tuesday. Not a guarantee it plays out like this. This is just one offering that the Euro has. And we could also see breezy conditions coming in Monday and Tuesday. But both models indicate it's going to be a quick moving scenario. So this could maybe continue into early Tuesday and then eventually head on northwest into eastern Texas. So we'll be watching. Really right now, I just have a higher chance for rain Monday into Tuesday. I have 50% Monday, 40% on Tuesday. In the meantime, it's going to be mostly dry and really hot. So we'll be watching Monday and Tuesday. And really, we need rain. The drought actually just got worse. Again, more of us are in a severe drought, highlighted here in this darker orange. And then more of the North Shore, where we weren't in a drought, is now in moderate drought. Even South Mississippi included in this moderate drought. And further west, it gets even worse. So our neighbors in the western Gulf Coast can benefit from this potential disturbance as well. So what I have right now is Monday into early Tuesday. We could potentially see some much needed rain, hopefully. Some breezy conditions. Winds will be coming mostly from the east with this easterly wave. Again, we'll be watching to see if it stays too far to the south. We might not get anything. So that's something we'll be paying attention to. Make sure you definitely stay tuned to the forecast because things can certainly change. Right now, though, it's beautiful. Temperatures are in the lower 90s. It's not too humid just yet. We're kind of staying pleasant once again today, where the humidity is really not too awful, though the humidity is going to keep climbing heading into tomorrow and this weekend. It's going to be another scorcher of a weekend. Today's high temperatures, not too bad, middle 90s, though the 7-day forecast shows what's in store. Probably going to see triple-digit heat again Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. No real cooling showers, so we'll be watching next week. Hopefully we'll see